Hey friend, I just realized my camera's crooked. Straighten you out a little bit. Nothing like doing things as we go. That's the story of the day. Hey, it's Laura with Save with Laura. Thank you so much for joining me for the accountability. It is still Monday for me because I'm batch filming, but it is Sunday when you're going to see this. And today we are saving $48 to go to Save Big in 2026, where we're taking a challenge from Play to Save and saving $1,000 plus, so 20, 45, 46, 47, 48. I have found that it's just easier to slide money in and keep it track on a scrap sheet of paper of how much we spend as we go. So this is going to be March week 1, $48. 384 plus 48 is $432, and I'm using placeholders because every $100 increment I am taking money to the bank, and we have 1, 2, 3 placeholders for $100. So let's count and see how much we have, and we should be able to put in another placeholder if I have more. Yes, I do. And keep this money out and take it to the bank, because I really don't want to keep $2,026 in cash at my house. So let's see if we have 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 100. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 placeholders, plus $32 going in here. So it's every 2 or 3 weeks I put money in the bank. We're just going to write EMERG for emergency, $100, and next time I'm at the bank, that money will be deposited. So we're done with that binder, and this is what I do. So I have a scrap sheet of paper and my handy dandy calculator, because you know by now I can't do math in my head and talk, and honestly I just can't do math in my head. So I use a 20-sided die, because there are 13 pages in this book, and I don't have a 13-sided die, so I take a 20, and if it rolls a 1 through a 13, that's the page we work on. If it rolls 14 through 20, we go to the next page. We typically need a 20-sided die, and sometimes we need a 6-sided die, and sometimes need a 4, and that should be all we need, hopefully, in theory. So we have $48, and we rolled an 8, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So then we roll a 6-sided die to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and whatever the 6-sided die tells us to, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we do pink, which is $2. Let's color the inside of the watermelon. Yes, I know watermelons are red fleshed, but I'm in the mood for a pink fleshed watermelon because it's pretty, and I like pink better than red. So that is $2, and I just have a little running total, so that means we have $46. And we rolled a 20, so that means we just go to page 9. And these numbers are just all over the page, so we are going to choose 3, and we're going to make a pretty green petal. This is how I'm stretching it instead of doing the whole flower. So 3, and that's $43 left. 17, that means we just go to the next page, and we are going to play Plinko, which is a 6-sided die. 2, 6, 5. There. 5 again. And 2. So we save $5. 43 minus 5 is 38. So $5. All right, I have my heat on, and then I have a, sorry about that. I have my heat on. I just hit my cord. And I have a space heater on because in South Georgia, we're not used to the cold temperatures that we're having today that are moist. And it's finally getting warm in here. A little too warm. That or page 8. I am going through perimenopause. So it could be a combination of heat and hot flash. Always fun. Okay, we're... So sorry. Okay, page 8. 6-sided die. 6. So we're doing red. Let's do a strawberry. Got to have red strawberries. And I was at the grocery store today because I was in the mood for a hamburger for supper. And we have tons of deer meat. But I wanted a cow hamburger. So I went to the grocery store, grabbed some hamburger meat, $1. And the strawberries looked really good and really fresh. They looked like they were almost vine ripened. And I got closer and I could just smell them. I don't know where these strawberries came from, but what they've been selling in our local grocery stores. We have strawberry fields within like 10 minutes of our house. If I wanted to, I can go pick strawberries in the spring. And these smelled like field-picked strawberries. They were so good. We did 1, 3. Okay, rolling a 20-sided die. 11. Let's start from the top, and I don't count when I go through one that's already marked off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $1. 36. 5. Alright, let's just roll the 6-sided die, and that tells us 5. And there are no 5s on here. So we will color a 1. And a 4. And we'll keep it in blues. Do I even have you on the camera? I've bumped my phone so much. 4. And that will be our 5. And that leaves us with 31 left. 12. 11. 12. This is another one. Let's roll a 20-sided die. 4. Let's go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4. $3. 31 minus 3 is, I can feel myself just fading fast. 5. See if I can not hit that this time. I have little numbers written at the top. Alright, 6-sided die again. 2. There's a 2. Let's do purple. 26. 20. So we go to the next page. Ooh, new one. Haven't done this one a lot. So this is a roll and save. So we go down to 3. And we go across to 6. And we save $3. 23 left to play with. 3. Page 3. Feels like we've done page 3 already. And we have. Candyland. Have we done this one today? 14. We'll go backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. $1. Some people play till they get to the end in each sitting. I just like the variety. 12. 9, 13, 12. We just did this one. 1, 1, 1, 21. Who is it, the count on Sesame Street? 14, 12, 13, 14. There's no page 14. If y'all haven't checked out my video from Thursday, check out my video from Thursday. That one's a fun one. Okay, let's just say $10. And that's going to leave us 11 to work with. And what color do we want to make this? Oh, let's do the snowman. And this is how I am making this challenge last well. We're just going to color the tip of his nose for $10. And we've already marked it on our sheet. Let's keep going. Page 1. Okay. We have $11 left. Let's do a 7. So let's bring the 11 up here, minus 7. $4 left. Color in. Try to find a color I haven't used. I don't think I've done this one, so I wish I had outlined these so this page could keep going longer. We'll figure out something. I got some of those dot markers. Who is it? Snow Garter. Snow Garter 40 something. She has the dot stuff, and those are so cool. Okay, we have $3 left. Let's do the roll and save, and not roll, and just use it as a catch-all for $3 because you know me. Oh, $4, not 3. We have $4 left. $4 minus 4 is 0, and this is how we have completed saving $48 to save $2,026 in 2026 with Play to Save. Check out Play to Save's Etsy page. She's got a lot of good stuff. I'm assuming it Play to Save is a she. Could be a he. I don't know. Go check out their page. So, hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Sunday. Yeah, this is Sunday's video. And I will see you tomorrow with Mini Mondays, which is where I got my start from in May of 2025 with saving money with games. And it has been one of the best decisions I've ever made to do it this way. So come see me tomorrow. Bye.